Hi, so we're going to jump right into Python. There's a lot of different tutorials on how to install Python on your computer if you wanted to play with it locally or code locally. But just to jump right into the code, we're going to use an online compiler, and that's going to be at REPL, REPL.IT. Once you go to this website, you'll scroll down and you'll have a bunch of languages. So this is actually a great resource going forward if you want to learn JavaScript or let's say Node.js. I haven't used it for Node, but it's great on almost every single language I use it for. So let's jump right into Python. So right away, there's a few different things I want to talk about. Right here is where our files are. And if you have a text editor, locally it'll look very similar, where you have a list of your files. This one's called main.py. This is your actual Python file, and it has a .py extension. That means it's a Python file. And that's why if you wanted to work on it locally on your own computer, you would need to install Python so that it understands what to do with these .py files. Then you have this area all over here, and that's your console. That's where the output's going to go. That's where whatever you do here and you print to a console, it'll go right over here. We're going to use that a lot. So when you hear the term console, this is what you'll be referring to, and the actual script will be right here. Thank you, and the next one we will go right into coding.